Hi Shweta, you're from YWM Bus.
Hi, how are you?
What's
All
up,
good.
Arushi? क्या हाल है?
Hi, how are you? It's so good
All
to see you after so
good.
long.
Same here, यार. Before we start with the interview, I have to tell you, Mom was praising you so much. कि Arushi ने
Really?
इतना naturally perform किया है. She's done so well. So I really
Thank
wanted
you
to convey that to
so
you.
much. I guess we'll talk about it. We'll talk about why
Yeah.
it happened. We'll talk about it.
Okay, is it good to go from your side? From the both?
Yes.
Okay. So firstly, Arushi and Ashnur, welcome to IWM Bus. Big congratulations for your new web series. कितना excitement है शो को लेकर. Fans काफी ही प्यार दे रहे हैं. I have seen many collages on social media already. So उस पे क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Yes, I guess, whenever you work hard for some series and it gets the fruit in form of the fans' love, it always feels good कि आपने जिस चीज पे इतनी मेहनत की है उसको वो recognition मिल रहा है. And people are really excited to watch the series who haven't yet, and those who have watched, they are, writing paragraphs, making edits, sending me messages, and I'm sure that'll be the same case with Arushi as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're receiving a lot of love.
Yeah, I mean, this is something like if I see acting में मेरा सबसे पहले काम आया. So my audience is always waiting. What is she up to in life? Like कुछ आ क्यों नहीं रहा है बाहर? Because I was waiting for the right kind of projects. और अब जब आया, people are so excited. I've been getting messages, and I mean, it feels really great. एक तो to work with the best of people, to work with Ashnur, and then getting such lovely messages. I mean, people are really liking it, and I'm so happy that it's a hit.
Absolutely.
तो मैं आप दोनों से जानना चाहूंगी कि जब आप दोनों ने ये concept सुना, so how was your first reaction? Do you guys related to this, to your story also, to your real life story also?
Arushi will take it.
Yeah. So actually, when I first Vivek sir gave me the narration of this story, I wasn't supposed to do it. मैं उनके साथ Game of Thrones कर रही थी और उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि ऐसी कोई they are working on it, and I was like, sir, I mean, I really like the story. I would want to play a part of it because this story is amazing. So they were like, okay, and ऐसे ही sir ने ना बात टाल दी. उसके बाद these people were had this thing in mind that they won't repeat their actors for the show. But when they called me and I was like, are you the casting person called me and they were like, are you sure that these people want me? Because I mean, no, they actually want you and they think that Sana ka part aap hi kar sakte ho. And Sana to, I mean, she is fabulous. Like, I love her character. What a jugadu and funny person she was. So मैं तो बहुत खुश थी ये करने के लिए. Like, it was so fun working as Sana.
Ashnu?
Yeah, I guess. Again, after Paryala Babes, I had taken a little break. I was getting offers for the web, but kahin na kahin, there were some script issues or maybe something that I wasn't comfortable doing. But Pari Hu Main was one such story that I was like, okay, I have to do this because this is like a very girl next door inspirational story. Not just for the people who aspire to be actors, but who aspire to be anything that they're passionate about. So that's the reason this script was very, very attractive to me. And I was like, I have to do this because I, as Ashnur, could also relate to Pari a lot.
Yeah.
Because जो भी करती है वो she always stays true to her morals. अपने दम पे करती है. And she would never hurt anyone or take the wrong way to achieve what she wants.
तो जैसे कि हमने ट्रेलर में अभी तक देखा है कि तो आप सभी एक बैक टू बैक you guys are giving an audition back to back. So रियल लाइफ में भी आप लोग कितना डिटेक्ट करते हो इस चीज को लेकर, कितना आप लोग के लिए टफ हो जाता है बैक टू बैक ऑडिशन देने के लिए इन योर स्टार्टिंग डेज? कितना मुश्किल था वो पल आप दोनों के लिए?
Definitely, यार बहुत मुश्किल था. And I guess more than me, it was also my parents who worked really hard. My mom always used to travel with me because I started at a tender age of 5. तो I remember मुझे स्कूल से मम्मा डायरेक्टली लेकर जाते थे ऑडिशंस के लिए. And mostly, this was the case in ads कि मेरा ज़्यादा क्लिक नहीं होता था ads में. And I used to travel to these places and मुंबई का ट्रैफिक हम सबको पता ही है. फटाफट स्कूल से ट्रैफिक में ट्रैवल करके उधर जाना, ऑडिशन देना, उधर लोगों को पसंद भी आता था, but then we never used to get a call back. So we have struggled. Obviously, everybody who's achieved something or whoever has established themselves in some way or the other have also struggled to get to the place they are today.
Listen, I'm still giving auditions. मैं भी थोड़े पहले audition से ही वापस आई हूँ, to be very honest. My process is still on. It's been just 2 years in Bombay. But you know, that's part of you as an actor. You need to understand this thing that you'll be giving 100 auditions, so शायद उसमें से 2 click होंगे, and rejection is your part. Absolutely. Now, you have to give your 100% in the audition and then forget about it. You can't take any project दिल से लेके कि oh my god, ये क्यों नहीं हुआ? Because हर दिन rejection, अगर आप हर चीज को दिल पे लेके और ऐसे बैठ जाओगे तो काम नहीं चलने वाला. I unfortunately learned it in a very starting क्योंकि मैं उनके साथ surround थी जो already industry में काम कर रहे थे. They made me understand this thing. Yeah. It is difficult, but it's part of my life now. So you know, I'm okay with it. Like I'm used to it now.
Yes. आप दोनों का ही डिजिटल डेब्यू है, सो आप दोनों के लिए डिजिटल पे कुछ नया लाना या डिजिटल पे कुछ करना was the one of the most important things. So आप दोनों के लिए क्या वो एक चीज थी जो आपने देखकर सुनकर स्क्रिप्ट को हाँ बोली थी, and what was that one thing you love about the digital platform?
यार मेरे तो सिर्फ स्क्रिप्ट थी क्योंकि the concept was only so appealing to me and so powerful, I would say, because you know as an actor you look for this creative satisfaction in the projects. So Pari Huma gave me that creative satisfaction because playing one character, I could portray so many other shades and so many different layers that the character had to it. And I guess when we started shooting, it was even more fun because you know, with Arushi also, with all the other people that we had with us, it was like a family, and it was actually like कि हम chill कर रहे हैं. Now if you see the song, जब हम ऐसे मुंबई tour करने जाते हैं, we had one day when we did that Mumbai tour, and I remember how much fun we had. Arushi, do you remember?
Yeah, हमने shoot नहीं किया था. We were just having fun. We were just chilling.
They were capturing us. Absolutely.
Yeah, for me also. I mean, I've been like मैंने Spets वाला 2018 में किया था. उसके बाद I was just waiting for the right opportunity because मुझे सोच समझ के करना था, to be very honest. तो for me, this was because I had already worked with the team with the other project. So I knew how the team was, and obviously the star cast of this project. And I really had fun because मतलब सना को आप जब description मुझे बताई थी तो मैं हंस रही थी सना के ऊपर because it was so fun. And to play it also, I relate to Sana because एक तो मैं मुंह फट हूँ जिंदगी में, ओके, और मुझसे मतलब if I see something मैं कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाती. एक्सप्रेशंस मेरे बहुत फेस पे आ जाते हैं कि I'm liking someone or I'm not liking someone. सना कुछ another level पे जुगाड़ हुआ, उतनी मैं नहीं हूँ, to be very honest. But the whole thing, you know, they're like 3 different girls, their own journey, and how friends help each other. So there are a lot of emotions behind the script. You know, like how I am as a person, Sana, but when it comes to my friends, I'm very protective also. So all this was very me. I am like that. So it was like, okay, now we would have fun doing this.
अगर OTT की बात किया जाए तो OTT पे काम करके कितना अलग एक्सपीरियंस था, या यू कैन से कि जो टेलीविजन में आप लोग ने किया है उसका बेनिफिट आप लोगों को OTT में हुआ है?
OTT
मैंने टेलीविजन नहीं किया है.
नहीं, OTT is definitely different यार, क्योंकि इधर बहुत ही अलग तरीके से काम होता है, बहुत रियलिस्टिक अप्रोच है. And मतलब even in terms of your looks, even in terms of the location and everything, the execution is very different. तो काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला. ये yes, I would say कि once you do television, you get polished enough to do any work. तो वो एक चीज हो जाती है कि टेलीविजन के बाद आप मतलब कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Like that, I'm talking in terms of hard work. क्योंकि टेलीविजन में से चलो ये करो जल्दी एक दिन में 5-7 scenes. So in that way you get prepared. So yes, this was a very different experience, and television ने भी कहीं ना कहीं मुझे definitely help किया. Because you know, once you are used to doing that things, you get to know the technicalities, look कहाँ देने हैं, किस wide angle में कितने expressions देने हैं. So all of that did help.
Yeah, and that her experience actually helped me because I used to look up to her, and at times she used to guide me. And you know, I mean, I mean, hats off to this person because she's such a sweetheart. I mean, doing after so much work, she doesn't make you feel, that out of place, or you new to something, or she'll make you feel safe. Because otherwise, I've heard a lot of stories that people are insecure and all that stuff. But with her, it was so easy. I mean, with that time span, more than co-workers, we were more friends, and we have done the shoot like that.
Right, absolutely. Thank you so much. So sweet.
Okay, so finally, any message for the audience who are giving so much love for the web series? And आप दोनों का first reactions क्या था जब आपने इतने सारे प्यार देखे audience की तरफ से?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा जितना प्यार परी मेरे को मिल रहा है, क्योंकि obviously digital debut था. I was nervous because there are a lot of contributing factors to the emotions that I had, क्योंकि एक तो हमारा थोड़ा डिले भी हो गया था, so उसके mixed emotions थे कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, and everything. And it's not the typical commercial web series that we usually see these days. It has a very realistic approach. तो हमें उसका भी थोड़ा डाउट था कि पता नहीं ऑडियंस को पसंद आएगा या नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें कोई unnecessary मिर्ची या ड्रामा नहीं है. It's very realistic. But to my surprise, and थोड़ी बहुत expectation भी थी मुझे obviously, लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दिया, and बहुत अभी भी प्यार दे रहे हैं. It's just released. It's just been I guess 2 days, but इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है from everywhere, and it feels great. It feels amazing.
Yeah, it's a very innocent story, if I say. And those parents and people who are scared to come to Bombay, they should definitely watch it, because it has an approach to, it's up to you what you want to do in the industry and how you want to work. Like, जैसे Sana जुगाड़ू है, you can be जुगाड़ू if you want to. And at the end, at the other hand, Pari, she's all in for just to work with her talent. So it depends on you. मतलब हमारा इंडस्ट्री का नाम honestly ऐसे ही नाम खराब है, वो कोई आपको फोर्स से कुछ नहीं करता है. It depends on you how you want to take your career further.
Yeah.
So getting the response is like, for me तो it's amazing because मेरा पहला acting project है, तो it's gonna be special and it's doing wonders to me.
Yeah. So there are lots of ऐसे scenes है जो कि आप relate कर सकते हो, and I think that is that one thing जो audience भी relate कर रही है इस web series के साथ. So thank you so much guys for giving us such a beautiful web series, and all the best for your upcoming project.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. All the best.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.